Yeah. Yuck.
That's your saliva all over my hoodie, mate. People have crazy bucket list things that they want to do before they die. Some people want to jump off of plane and skydive 10,000 feet. Other people like to bungee jump. Me, on the other hand, I want to hold a bloody koala. And there's no better place to do that than here at the largest and very first koala sanctuary in the world, Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. Are you ready to hold a koala?
Yes, sorry, I'm looking at the map.
Okay. Hold a bloody koala. I touched this screen, didn't realize there's like hundreds of ants. I mean, the closest I've ever gotten to holding a koala was a stuffed koala that I owned as a child. Ken is what I named him. Ken the koala.
I'm cooking a hamburger.
Hamburger.
Yeah. Barbecue. Grilled hamburger.
Where are we traveling from?
Canada.
Yeah,
Canada?
let's just say Canada.
So it's 2 p.m. at number 24, right in the middle.
Let's grab ourselves some kangaroo food here. This is what kangaroo food looks like, if you were ever interested. I'm gonna put this kangaroo food in my kangaroo pouch. How about that? So Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary was built in 1927. Back then they were skinning the fur off of these poor koalas, and it was part of the culling trade. Hold a koala in Australia.
Any more Australian than this experience, I think.
Yeah.
Say hello, dingo. Japanese
That's
dog.
dingo number 2 that we've seen on this trip.
They have soft fur.
You just had to touch his fur.
Of course, I had to know. It's soft. Look at the Danish.
Oh, such beautiful creatures, eh? Crikey, we're gonna look at some crocodiles. I want to go in that bubble where you can get really close to a crocodile. That sounds fun.
So are we gonna wait in line to go crawl through this space?
Okay, we're coming here on a Tuesday, midday. You'd think it'd be quiet, but it's actually quite busy. It's not even school holidays. Oh, hello, crocodile. This crocodile has not moved that much all day. But look at this guy, look at the tail. It doesn't even look real.
Oh, is that real?
It is, mate.
Here's the lunch I brought for you.
And here's your lunch.
Yeah.
Delicious kangaroo food. 2 pouches of it.
Bloody kibble.
Who wants some sushi?
Oh! He called your bluff.
Let's go look at the Velociraptor show. You breed raptors? It's gonna come, it's gonna come.
That was cool.
That was cool, eh? They got pretty close to us. All right, now we're gonna go feed some kangaroos because I got a whole kangaroo pouch of delicious roo food. What's that? It's a brown chicken. It's a brown chicken.
The brown chicken.
Hold the food up high and don't give it to him yet until he reaches it. Make him reach for you. There you go. Look how strong he is. And that claw is sharp, isn't it?
Damn. This guy does not skip chest day.
No. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Giant rat with big feet.
I don't know if I want to feed him.
This is how we feed kangaroo. This muscle definition, like you wouldn't believe. You do CrossFit. Say nothing for yes. Okay, I tried.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Go up higher. No. Oh, I'm so scared. How tall is he compared to me? I bet you. Okay, you don't need to bully me. Why are you such a bully? Oh, yo. mindful eating. That's kind of what it looks like right now. That's it, mate.
This is what my hand looks like after feeding that kangaroo. But also I'm a very prone to ash type of person.
Look.
White. Oh, they got a little scratchy scratch. Muscle definition, I'm telling you. Those pecs. Let's feed some more roos.
Oh, I am child size, I guess.
You look like you're stoned, mate. You look like how I look sometimes. Alright, how you doing, mate?
Stand up on their hind legs.
Alright, that's all I got, mate. So cute.
Get a photo?
ASMR.
See his little teeth?
How are your muscles? How are your muscles?
Oh. Oh, what do you hear?
What's going on here? Some drama. It's like a painting come to life. Oh, the baby.
Those are the Joey's feet.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh, that doesn't look right.
Is he just hanging out?
Yeah, he's like cuddled up inside.
Look at the legs. We should pull a Bart Simpson and try to jump in the pouch. Eat your roo food.
Look at you. Joeys are just so cute, I can't.
Like these little guys, the Joeys.
They're so adorable.
I'm gonna take you home.
Because they're not all muscular yet.
No more food. That's the last of the roo food, so I think it's our cue to go. We have a 2 p.m. appointment with a koala bear, and it is about 2 p.m. Oh, look at that snake.
Come back around.
That koala felt exactly how I imagined a koala to feel. Surprisingly lighter than you would think. But his fur was so soft. They swapped the koala 3 times. Morris was the 3rd koala from that session of photographs that we took. I'm happy that he turned his head at the beginning because that meant that I got to hold him for a little bit longer. Oh, that was so fun though. Hands down, the highlight of this trip thus far. Just look at the look on my face. There's a twinkle in my eye. This is the food court area of Koala Forest. So you could sit here, have your lunch, and there are koalas all up in those trees. Of course, you could have lunch with a koala at the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. While you enjoy your egg salad sandwich, you'll be eating his eucalyptus. 1, 2, 3. Koala!
It's just so funny how they just fall asleep. I'll go for a walk if it means that I get a hamburger at the end.
Oh, open your eyes. Chewing with your eyes closed. Oh, reach for more. Go. I like how he stopped chewing as soon as I hit record.
Still doesn't look real. Oh, sorry. Okay.
I'll show you real.
Oh, your mate's sleeping.
Yeah, he's trying to sleep next to you.
To eating together.
The laughing kookaburra are suddenly silent, but I've seen videos on YouTube where the trainer starts the laugh.
Shall we try?
Crickets. That's you! That's you! The laughing kookaburras are trying to steal the show.
Largest carnivorous marsupial.
Love the Tasmanian devil. They're so adorable looking. Look at those big eyes. Hi! Like a cross between a rat and a little puppy. I now understand why they call this the largest koala sanctuary in Australia. As you go into the food court, there's koalas. You leave the bird areas, you run into koalas. Once you walk out the platypus pen, there's more koalas.
Are you complaining?
No, I love it. I have no idea what's going on over here, but it's just complete madness. A lot of green and a whole bunch of lorikeets just losing their mind. You want to hold one?
Do I want to hold one?
Oh, he just projectile cat. Whoa, what's going on?
Okay, I'm not cool, I'm leaving.
Oh no!
Last smile.
Well, on that note, I think it's time to leave. All those crazy
Before we get
lorikeets.
shit on.
There's one on my head.
Really loud.
It's deafening.
And their colors are really bright too, so it's like...
Ling has a fear of flying, unpredictable things. So those lorikeets checked all those boxes.
and screaming.